Hey guys, we're going to be working on the 2002 Chrysler today, replacing the PCV valve. These cars are notorious for burning oil, leaking oil, a whole multitude of reasons, but one of them is the PCV valve. So we are going to get that replaced in this today. Before we begin, I'd like to say thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It'll help move this video to the top so others can see it. This is the PCV valve here. We bought this off Amazon. It was less than 10 bucks. It's a Fram brand FV345 for this particular vehicle here. This is what it sounds like when it's good. You can hear it rattling in there. We're gonna get to the old one and take it out, and I have a suspicion that it's clogged. So let's get a closer look. Okay guys, we're gonna see, instead of taking this whole piece off, we're gonna see if we can get to it without. It's right back here. Let's see if we can get you guys a little bit better angle here. Okay, here it is right back here. Let's wiggle the hose off here. Let me grab a flathead. Okay, let's see if we can get this hose off here. Oh, it's brittle. I can see the hose when I pressed on it like that. It's cracked right there. There we go. I think we're getting it. Just not a lot of room to do much. Go. There we go. We got it. Should be 3/4 inch. I'm gonna see if I can get at it with this crescent wrench. Well, let's try something else. Let's try a socket wrench. Okay, I got the 3/4 inch socket wrench back here. You can definitely get at it. Loosening it up now. It's not a lot of room, but there's enough to get it out. All right. I won't make you guys suffer through this. I'll be back once I get it all the way off. Okay, guys, I got it all the way loosened up. Here it is. It's still free in there. It does seem a little more clogged than the other one, so not going to hurt to replace it. These are really cheap and good maintenance, and you know, could potentially help with all sorts of different problems your car might be having. Misfires, running rough, burning oil, leaking oil. All sorts of stuff. So let's get the new one in here. Put the old one in the box. Yeah, this one's just a lot more, a lot freer. And again, you know, cheap maintenance and not too bad to get at. So let's get the new one in here. Get it as tight as we can by hand. Okay guys, I was able to get this pretty hand tight. We're going to tighten it up the rest of the way with the socket wrench. This thing's plastic too, so once we get it snug, we're just going to give it a few extra turns. Okay. We got it in there. It's tight. I'm going to give you guys a little bit closer view before I put it back together. All right, so that is it right there. It's in there nice and snug. The hose here, let's see if we can get you a good view of that. And I've already kind of looked inside. It's clear. Let's get the hose put back on, and then we will start her up and make sure everything runs good. Okay, let's get the hose put back on. Let's take one more look at it with the light. Yeah, all is good. Okay, we're gonna get it pushed back on here. It's got to get over the nipple there. There's just not a lot of room to maneuver, but once you get it, you get it. Okay. I'm probably going to order a new hose, just because I noticed this one's cracking here. I just don't know if it's vacuum tight. It's just brittle, I noticed when I was taking it off. So I'm probably going to replace this hose. You guys might look at that too and replace yours. It's just hooked in. There's a little clamp here for this part, and then it looks like this one just pulls straight out. So I'm probably going to order that and replace that. I just give you guys the heads up when you're doing yours. Just to make sure everything's vacuum tight. It was definitely clear, but I'm just worried about it being brittle up here. Okay, so for now, all good. All right, guys, it started up good. Everything's running good. Only thing I'm going to do is replace that hose, which you guys might want to look at and do as well. Pretty easy to do, though. Once you're in there, you'll see how it connects and not much to it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It'll help move my video to the top. Please check out my other videos. I got all sorts of cool stuff on here, and I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one.